So Jacob Zuma has released some demands that he expects Ubana U Ramaphosa as meet by the 8th of August. The 8th of August is on Friday, by the 8th of August. And if Ramaphosa does not meet these, I'm going to read you the demands. If Ramaphosa does not meet these demands, then MK, of course, has threatened a shutdown, as I said on my previous video. So, and now what I'm seeing is these demands are coming from Jacob Zuma as an individual, because before, when Unhlabulo released that statement, the threats, it was coming, it was under MK. But now these lawyers that are sending a letter from Ramaphosa, they're saying that, like Jacob Zuma. So I'm assuming that he's coming for him now as an individual. But let's read, what are these demands? The three demands, direct demands to Ramaphosa. The first one is, withdraw the announcement made on July 13th and 31st regarding a cabinet reshuffles. So the first demand, they want Usira Ramaphosa to withdraw the announcements he made on July 13th and the 31st. Number two, they want Ramaphosa to reverse the swearing in of Professor Kachalia. Professor Kachalia is the police minister who is sworn in now, taking in Dauka Kasenzo Mkun. So they want Ramaphosa to reverse the swearing in of Kachalia. So when Ramaphosa reverse swearing in Kachalia, meaning that they don't want Kachalia as the police minister. So if they want Ramaphosa to reverse that, and then Kuku Suso Usenzo Mkunu, I don't know, maybe they want a new minister. The third demand is resign immediately for repeatedly violating your oath of office. So they want Ramaphosa to resign for repeatedly violating the oath of office. So it says here, I've posted this, guys, on my YouTube. Go get the full details. I'm just giving you just a gist of it. The legal team warned that the failure to meet their deadline of 10 a.m. or 10 a.m. Friday, August 8th, it will result to an urgent court action. Mnanditi, I need someone to explain to me these court actions by MK party. Something tells me it's just their strategy. Or maybe this is their strategy that they are going with for 2026 local elections. You can't tell me that people every second they are going. I mean, they were in court just a few days ago. You can't tell me why everything we are going to court. Maybe it's just their strategy. Explain to me, guys. I don't know. I'm confused. I'm lost. They're gonna take Ramaphosa to court. Ramaphosa is probably gonna win. Until when are they gonna keep on taking things to, like, everything to court? Like, someone explain me. Maybe it's a chess. The chess master is playing. I don't know.